Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add the suggested apps widget folder on your home screen for your Samsung S25 Ultra. So the suggested app widget intelligently recommends a rotating set of apps based on your usage pattern, location, and the time of the day. It appears as a dynamic folder on the home screen and is powered by Samsung's on-device AI. So let me show you how to add this widget to your home screen. So first you want to go ahead and long press on the home screen, then tap on widget. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find suggest apps, which is right here. Tap on that. Now let's go ahead and scroll down and find the widget you want to add. So if you want to add a small widget, a 2x2, a 4x1, or a 4x2. So if you're a person who uses a lot of apps on the Samsung S25 Ultra, I'll recommend the big folder. However, if you're just a user who just uses very less app and don't regularly use your phone, then go ahead and add this small widget. For now, I'll go ahead and add 4x2, tap add, and now this widget has been added. So now this widget will automatically update depending on the usage, the day of the time, and the location. So it speeds up access to the apps you're most likely to use at any given moment, so without you needing to organize or guess. So it's great for multitasking or those who want a smarter home screen. So there you go guys, that is how to add the suggest app folder widget on your home screen for your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.